talking with a friend of mine about Italy. At that time, I haven't been there, and I was asking for some tips and about something to do, what he thinks about that. He was living there, so what he said got stuck in my brain. He said, Italy is a country to fall in love in every step you take. 2020, I went several times after the pandemic. After when the borders open again, I decided to travel several times to Italy, and that's true. I agree with him. And today I'm going to share you some videos, some pictures, and 5 tips to enjoy to make the most about a trip to Cinque Terre, which is one of my favorite regions in Italy. If you don't know anything about the Cinque Terre region, I will let you know that if you maybe have seen the movie Luca from Disney, actually it's inspiring this region, and it's really beautiful. This region is located in the Liguria region, just in front of the Ligurian Sea, and it is really easy to reach from Genova city, and also from Milano, Torino, and Nice and Monaco in France. Well, Nice in France and Monaco, the country. It's really easy to reach by train, by bus, by car. So now we're going to talk about the 5 tips to make the most of this journey. The first tip that I'm going to give you is hike. Cinque Terre actually means 5 lands or 5 towns, and each town is connected by hiking trails. So I really recommend you to enjoy this place hiking these trails. The most famous one is the Sentiero Azzurro, and it connects the 5 towns. You get to cross really beautiful mountains and stunning views of the sea. It's not a long hike, it's about 11 kilometers, but if you're not interested in hiking all the trail, you can do small parts of this trail, for example, La Via dell'Amore or the Lover's Path. It will take you around 30 minutes to make it, and it's really beautiful. It connects the city of Manarola, the town of Manarola, with Rio Maggiore. The second tip that I'm going to give you is visit the 5 towns. Each town has a unique charm. They're all beautiful and they all have a different story. The 5 towns are Monterosso, Bernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore. They're located from walking distance the one to each other. But if you don't want to hike, you can take a train that connects the 5 towns. It's cheap and it's a really useful way to do it faster. But personally I'm more in favor of the slow travel, because you get to know more and get involved more with the local life. third advice that I'm going to give you is sleep in one of the towns. Okay, that depends on what are you interested to. The 5 towns, as I told you, they have a unique charm, but they also have a different offer to sleep. Monterosso and Via Maggiore are the biggest ones, and they're quite known for being more touristic, and they have a lot of more options. Also, the nightlife is a little bit more active in these towns, but you have also Corniglia and Vernazza that are smaller ones, but they're more quiet. So they're really cool if you're traveling with with your partner. So it could be really interesting. You will love to enjoy the beautiful nights at Cinque Terre. The fourth tip that I'm going to give you is swim. Yeah, don't forget to swim. Even if you're in the mountains, you're in front of the sea, and you will get to know some really beautiful spots to swim and to do some snorkeling. Yeah, these are not white sandy beaches. Of course, there are some sandy beaches, but most of them are rocky, and it couldn't be that comfortable for the feet. But the spots to swim are amazing, and since it's rocky, the color of the water it's really really beautiful. It's pristine. It's transparent, so you will have a really good time snorkeling around. If you're like me, that loves to get deep into the water. I remember in Vernazza, I went to the supermarket, to the grocery store, got some seafood salad, prosecco, an aperol spritz, sorry, which is a cocktail with prosecco and aperol, and just drink it by the sea, watching the sunset after swimming a lot. So, and it was magic. You to swim and to have some good time relaxing, watching the sunset or the sunrise if you're an early bird. And the 5th advice is try the seafood. Yeah, these towns they used to live from fishing, and right now the main activity is tourism. They remain also fishers, and they have some really really good food. So for this time, forget about the bolognese pasta, the Alfredo pasta, and go to the seafood. It's delicious. And of course, if you cross some limoncello, try it. It's also delicious, or with some Aperol spritz, top. I went in the summer, and it was a great experience. Nevertheless, it was really hot, really warm, and there were a lot of people. So I recommend going in April or at the end of spring and the beginning of fall. It's a little bit chill, but it's still a really nice place. That's all. Hope you like the videos, hope you like the pictures and the information that I'm just giving. Thank you so much for staying here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, night, or week. I don't know. Thank you. Bye bye.